Hi everyone, this is Raymond. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'll talk about some Redbubble tips you have to know to make more sales on Redbubble. And in this video, I'd love to show you some of my sales in different niches and styles to help you more in your work. And now let's cut to the chase and begin with the first sale and the first design for today. That is sticker of friendship and coffee. As you see, this design combines two big niches in one design: friendship and coffee. And we can call this type of designs as a cross niche designs. So what's the meaning of cross niche design? It's a design that includes more than one niche in one design. Thus you can escape from the big competition in all these niches. So you can escape from the big competition and the huge competition in friendship niche and coffee niche. And of course, by using cross niche designs, you can target a specific audience and go beyond their interest. So here in this example, in this design, friendship and coffee, here you can target customers who appreciate friendship and love coffee as well. So here, for better rank on Redbubble search results, you have to cross niche between big niches or micro niches. For example, you can cross niche nurse niche and any other niche like book and reading lover and so on. So you can target nurses who love their job and love books and love reading as well. So here you can make cross niche designs. For example, this amazing design, yoga and coffee, a cross niche design that target people who practice yoga and love coffee as well. Here you can escape from the big competition in both niches, yoga niche and the coffee niche. If you are working only on one of these beautiful niches, here you can find a lot on the big competition in that. So when you cross niche with other niche, so you can target a specific audience and with lower search results, which means higher rank in search results. So the first step for today is you have to make cross niche designs, especially if you are a beginner on Redbubble, okay. And now let's move on to the next sale for today, which is about long sleeve of Doberman dog. As you see, Doberman is one of the dog types. So here we can work on a sub niche. Of course, if we work on a general niche or a big niche like dog niche, here you find a lot of competition. So you have to niche down and break down the general niche into micro niches. So here we can go through different dog types like Doberman, or you can make designs about Bernese Mountain Dog or Husky dog and so on. And here you can go for specific customers, specific audience who love Doberman or this specific dog, like Doberman, Bulldog, Poodle, Husky, German Shepherd, and so on. So if you are a beginner here on Redbubble, you have to work on sub niches or micro niches with lower competition or with lower search results, as you see, Doberman dog. Or for example, we can use this one socks of football lover, American football player, quote. Here, as a previous example, you can work on sub niches or micro niches from the big general niche. And here we can work on sub niche like American football, which is derived from pole sports or sport niche. So you can work on a specific niche with lower competition. Like you can go specific for tennis, handball, beach pole, volleyball, and so on. So here you can go specific for sub niche from the general and big niche. Likewise, let me show this amazing design, which is about rock and roll and repeat, long sleeve of rock and roll, repeat. It's a sub niche of the general and the big niche music niche. So you can niche down to many micro niches or sub niches, which are about different music types and genres. So you can make your designs about jazz music like hip hop, country, rhythm and blues, rock and roll, and so on. So you can go specific for customers who are interested in specific music genre. And of course, you can make your designs even for private celebrations and parties like anniversaries, birthday, like birthday for sister, brother, dad, mom, birthday for grandpa, grandma, and so on. Like this amazing design, this one, sticker of 35's birthday, 35 years of being awesome. Okay, and now let's move on to the next sale for today, which is about a pattern style of your designs, leggings of pineapples. Of course, patterns or this seamless design, which is about marble texture. These amazing styles are awesome in some specific items like shower curtains, masks, tapestries, and so on. And people love these designs on these items. If you want to know how to get these such designs or textures, marble textures or pattern, you can make them manually on Canva. And now we can go to elements and select your specific element you want to make a pattern of. For example, we can pineapple, as you see. So we can select one of them, okay, and repeat this element or different types of pineapples, okay, in a coordinated form to make your awesome pattern, okay, as you see, and so on and so forth. Or you can get ready to use designs from other websites like Creative Fabrica, Creative Market, and so on. So you can get together to Creative Fabrica. For example, we can search for marble. Okay, and here you will find a lot of different marbles of different types and different colors, as you see, to make your awesome items on Redbubble. Okay, or you can search for patterns or patterns of something specific, like patterns of pineapples, patterns of cats, dogs, and so on. Okay, and in different niches and topics and different events, like you can find the patterns for Halloween, Christmas, and so on, as you see. Okay, so it's easy to upload pattern designs on Redbubble to make more sales. For example, this one, a mask of flamingo and leaves tropical. It's like your pattern and marble texture. Okay, and now let's move on to the last sale for today, which is about a common idiom or common quote, like tote bag of easy peasy lemon squeezy. And this customer purchased a lot of these beautiful items about the same design, easy peasy. Okay, so you can work on the most common quotes and the most common idioms, because people always search for this idiom and the quotes in all print-on-demand platforms, including Redbubble. So now you have known some amazing tips to make more sales on Redbubble, especially if you're a beginner or a newbie on Redbubble. So you can apply all these tips on your designs, like you can make pattern, sub-niches, cross niches, or the most common idioms and quotes. And to that end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.